Hello everyone, this is Akusia's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So for today, I will be sharing with you how I made this yummy mini pizza. Let's get started. These are the list of ingredients I will be using for this recipe. Okay, so the first step is to make the pizza dough. So I added the warm milk, the oil, the sugar and the yeast, and then I mixed everything together. Once it's mixed, go ahead and add the flour and the salt, but make sure to leave about 2 tablespoons of flour that you will be using in kneading. Keep adding warm water until it forms a stiff dough. Once the dough is formed, sprinkle a little bit of flour on your working tab and then bring your dough on board and then knead with your palms. So you just watch the method I'm doing. Knead until it's smooth. Once the dough is ready, grease your mixing bowl with a little bit of oil. Put in the dough and cover and allow it to rise for 25 minutes. Okay, so once I leave the dough to rise, I'll go ahead and make my pizza sauce. So this is my own method, and then I'm using ground beef with tomato sauce, sweet tomato sauce, and then I'll add salt, beef seasoning and thyme. This is my own recipe and it's very delicious, but you can go ahead and use any other pizza sauce you prefer. So I will stir everything together and then cover it and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. You can also buy pizza sauce from stores, or even people use ketchup with a little bit of thyme. So whichever way you want it. Okay, so if you're going to use ground beef as I did, please don't add oil because the ground beef has a lot of oil. So this is our sauce. It's ready and cooked. Okay, so once the sauce is ready, I'll set it aside and then I will be working on my dough. So the dough is ready and then I will just knead it for a few seconds. Make sure to sprinkle some flour whilst doing this so that it will help you roll it out. Please make sure to make it a bit thinner because once it goes inside the oven, it will still rise. So I'm using this fancy cutters after rolling. You can use any shapes or any cutters that you prefer. So once everything is done, you arrange it on your baking tray. Once everything is set, I'll go ahead and then put my toppings. So the first step is to put your sauce and then followed by the vegetables and then the cheese, and then you top up with some sausage. So with the toppings, you can choose any toppings of your choice or anything that you want to top with. You can also use real meat or chicken fillet. So once it's ready, I'll put it in the oven and bake for 20 minutes. Also with the cheese, I used mozzarella cheese. You can go for any brand that you prefer, but I think mozzarella is good because it melts quickly and then it's delicious. Okay, so after 20 minutes, our mini pizza is ready, and then this is how it looks like. So you can also let your cheese brown the way you want it, but I think I prefer it this way. Yeah, it's smelling so good. The dough is very soft. Look at how it is. Yes, the sauce was everywhere. It's very delicious. Trust me, you have to try this recipe. Okay, so the simple way to store this pizza is to just put them in your Ziploc and then you put them in the freezer. That's it. And then if you want to eat it the next day, you just put it in the microwave. If you want extra cheese, you can just put it on top and then pop it in the microwave for a few seconds and then it's ready. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload, You will be the first to watch. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.